Laging may excuse. Does your partner always have a reason for not being more involved? Tulad nila Ana at nila Marvin. Nag-build sila ng food cart business together for 5 years with different locations across the city. Si Ana, on the ground siya everyday, visiting carts, training crews, checking supplies, handling emergencies. Rain or shine, nandoon siya. Tapos si Marvin, parati siyang may excuse. May meeting pa ako sa work. Pagod ako, matutulog muna ako. Ikaw na muna, may lakad ako. And every time Ana needed help, may reason si Marvin. Pero when things were going well, he was present, taking photos, posting on social media, acting like he was part of the success. So, na-notice ni Ana yung pattern. Kapag mahirap, wala siya. Kapag okay, nandyan siya. Kaya one day, yung dalawang carts nagkaroon ng problema at the same time. So, tinawagan niya si Marvin. Sabi niya, please, I need you. Hindi ko kayang mag-isa. Pero sabi ni Marvin, ako, busy ako right now. Kaya mo na yan. So, Ana fixed both problems by herself. And that night, she realized something. She was the one carrying the business and Marvin only appeared when it was convenient. So, yung mga staff, they started following her instructions more than yung instructions ni Marvin. Kasi nakikita naman nila talaga kung sino yung actually na nagsusolve ng mga problems. And Ana felt exhausted and frustrated. So lesson, excuses ay napakadali. Showing up is more difficult. Kaya when one partner always has a reason not to be there, the other eventually stops asking for help. And when they stop asking, the partnership slowly dies. Even if the business is profitable. Always be business-minded, Pinoy.